Hello kids, it's Mr. Ag here, and this is your activity for reading today. It's another resource exploration, a virtual resource exploration. Miss Roth was going to teach you this in her media session and let you explore it in the media session that actually didn't get to happen this week. But it's a great resource for reading and videos and all kinds of other content from the Indianapolis-Marion County Public Library. And we talked about it a little bit. This little guy right here, the Axis 360 icon, if you pop it out, you can see it's right here. But where you're going to actually go to learn about it is in a new place that we've never explored before. So what I'm going to ask you to do is on the home page, on our homeroom homepage in Schoology, you're going to go down to this link right here. It says related arts. And so this is a folder. And when you click the link, it opens the folder. So we're going to open up the folder. And you see right here, Senora Kitson is our Spanish teacher. This is her Spanish folder. This is Mr. Leonard's PE folder. This is Miss Roth's media folder, and this is Mrs. Dre's art folder. So this video that I'm going to have you watch is in Miss Roth's media folder. You click it and open the folder, and she's got all kinds of resources here, and you are welcome to look at those. But the main thing you're looking for today is this bottom link. It's how to use Axis 360 video. So you are going to click on this link. I'm going to click on it too, and watch what happens. It should open a new tab, and the video loads in a new tab, but you have to actually push the play button to get it started. So here's Miss Roth, and she's going to teach you all about using the Axis 360 app, which is also on your Clever page. So we have it on our home page, but you also have yours on your home page. So you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to spend the rest of your independent reading time exploring the Axis 360 app and doing some independent reading and searching on that site. Hope you enjoy it and have a good time, and then I'll see you in our live reading session.